Withstand voltage test under power frequency is to apply the specified high voltage under power frequency between different parts of the tested equipment and to maintain a certain time in order to assess the insulating strength between these parts, which is one kind of AC withstand voltage test. Withstand voltage test under power frequency can find effectively dangerous centralized defects in the insulation, which is the most effective and direct test to assess the insulating strength of electrical equipment. It is of decisive significance to judge whether the electrical equipment can be put into operation. For fully insulated transformer, instrument transformer, and almost all other equipment with rated voltage 35 kV and below, withstand voltage test under power frequency usually is one item of preventive test to be done. Withstand voltage test under power frequency is a destructive test. Generally it is scheduled after all characteristic tests have been done and have passed to reduce or avoid unnecessary losses. Take withstand voltage test under power frequency to a double-winding, fully insulated transformer as an example. As a protective ball gap, limiting the overvoltage that may occur during the test, its discharge voltage is adjusted to 1.05 to 1.1 times the test voltage. It can also be used as a measuring ball gap to measure the working frequency high voltage in conjunction with the PV2. The output of the operation box is connected to the input of the experimental transformer. The instrument terminal of the operation box is connected to the instrument terminal of the experimental transformer. The operating terminal and the grounding terminal of the experimental transformer are grounded. After the three-phase short circuit at the high voltage side of the tested transformer, it is connected to the high voltage output end of the experimental transformer. The shell of the tested transformer and the low voltage side are short-circuited and then grounded. After checking that the wiring is correct, connect the power line and conduct the power frequency withstand voltage test. Withstand voltage test under power frequency, also known as external application of AC voltage withstand test, in which high voltage applied on the tested equipment is generated by external power supply for high voltage test. There are two kinds of external high voltage power supply: testing transformer and resonant power supply. High voltage testing transformer is only introduced below and resonance power supply will be introduced separately. Characteristics of testing transformer: large transformer ratio, small capacity, small volume and tall high voltage bushing, small insulation margin, intermittent operation mode and without cooling system due to light heat, large leakage reactance so as to limit short circuit. Structure of testing transformer: there are two kinds of structure: single bushing and double bushing, non-uniform insulated and semi-insulated transformer. Testing transformer cascade device: several testing transformers can be cascaded a set of devices if the capacity of a single testing transformer is not big enough or the rated voltage of the transformer is not high enough. That is, the excitation winding of a high-grade transformer is excited by the series winding, part of the high-voltage winding, of a low-grade transformer, which exciting mode is looked like that of a self-coupling connection. Generally, for a N-grade cascade testing transformer, the maximum utilization rate of the capacity of the equipment set is 2/N1. As you see, the more the number of transformer is, the lower the utilization radius. In fact, scheme N greater than 3 is rarely adopted in field test. Voltage regulating device: realize controllable voltage rise or reduction. Requirements to voltage regulating device: voltage can be regulated uniformly and rise from 0V. Output voltage waveform is standard sine wave and its positive half is same as its negative half. Type of voltage regulator: self-coupling type, shifting coil type, contact type, induction type and motor generator set. Industrial frequency high pressure measurement is divided into two categories: high pressure side measurement and low voltage side measurement. Measurement on the high voltage side: high voltage electrostatic voltage meter, sphere gap, capacitive divider coordinates, low voltage voltmeter, voltage transformer, high voltage capacitor in series with rectifier device. Measurement on the low voltage side: testing transformer usually will be equipped with low voltage voltmeter and measuring winding. Multiply the value of voltmeter by transformer ratio, get the voltage between tested terminal and ground. This method is simple and easy to implement, but if the capacity of tested equipment is large, capacitance effect, phenomenon of voltage rising by capacitive current, will appear leading to the measurement value of voltage inaccurate.